Yep, that's a good one. Good hit. He's buried me deep. That's a good one. Don't know if he's still there, eh? Oh, yep, he's still there. Oh my god. Nice way to start the morning. It's so choked up here. There's literally not a lot you can throw in these sorts of conditions. He's in there somewhere. Yeah, there he is. Look how much salad I got on the side with this fella. There he is. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. It's going to be a bit of salad hunting today. Look at that.